Hi, I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude, and I'm here to bring you another video about 5 fortunes to follow up in under 5 minutes, which is less time than it takes to eat Jell-O with chopsticks. Grabbing the customer's name, number, and email address is the tip of the iceberg. You need all of this up front, and boy does it pay off. In fact, it's a requirement. Without this contact info, you cannot follow up with your customers, and let's face it, the fortune is in the follow-up. Woo! I'm excited already, and I'm only making a video about it. Your effort in follow-up translates directly to your ROI. More customers mean more money. Never give up on a customer until they opt out or die. That's your only excuse. But when and how is very important. You can't just send someone an email every day with your boring sales pitch and expect them to stay interested. You gotta know when and how to do it. Here are 5 fortunes to follow up. Phone. The odds of even reaching a potential customer, if called within 5 minutes, is 100 times greater than if you wait 30 minutes. In fact, calling a person back in 5 minutes or less makes you 4 times more likely to close compared to 10 minutes. The longer you wait, the worse your chances get. You're leaving money on the table. I mean, if you don't take it, your competitor will.
1 new message, 4 saved messages.
Automated voicemail. With these voicemails, we can pre-record your voice and deliver a message directly to your potential customers without their phone ringing. This will instantly put your foot in the door and buy you time in the follow-up process. You create the voicemail, so it's very personal and carries more value. Text. 95% of all Americans now own a cell phone of some kind. That brings your text campaign to 98% open rate. You'd be crazy not to use this. Within text messages, we can support other campaigns as well, like mentioning to check your emails or voicemails. With text, we are directly targeting customers' cell phones, something most people can't live without. Email. It is reported that for every dollar spent on email marketing, an average of $44 return on investment is realized. The best retargeting conversion rate happens when the first retargeting email is sent within an hour. Email is the best source you have to deliver the most content of any source. Here we can add video, pictures, direct links, and storytelling to bring the most possible value to your customers. Email is delivered directly to the customer's digital front door, and you don't even have to lick a nasty stamp. Yuck. Facebook retargeting. Retargeting is based on what pages they like, videos they've watched, and ads they've clicked. These are called digital footprints. We have the ability to target potential customers based purely on those footprints. 60 to 70% of potential customers are more likely to take action when retargeted. These are people who have digitally raised their hands and have shown interest in your company. Here you can stalk your potential customers without violating a 100-foot restraining order. Direct threat. Here you want to go Britney Spears crazy. That was a joke, and a bad one. And we're not sorry. Those are the 5 fortunes to follow up with your potential customers. Use them. So just remember what we've learned today. Call your leads back in 5 minutes, period. The impact on your ROI drops with each and every minute. Just like football is a game of inches, advertising is a game of seconds. Every inch, every second counts. If you'd like to learn more how to convert cold traffic into red hot customers, remember, the fortune is in the follow-up. Fly, eagles, fly. If you have any questions about social media advertising, feel free to send us a private message on Facebook or give us a call at 717-PICK or we'll send you a lifetime supply of packing peanuts directly to your house. I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude. Thanks for watching. Oh, it says your videos are not 5 minutes long. Don't you think I know that? I don't need this stupid fortune cookie.